Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of the Concept Guy, and today we will see how we solve the different set of equations using MX Excel. So we have here three equations, and they have three variables x, y, z. The first equation, x square plus y plus z is equal to 12. Second is x plus y square plus z is equal to 8. And lastly, x plus y plus z square is equal to 6. And our aim is to find x, y, z using MS Excel. So let's see how we do it. Let's first see that we assume some values of x, y, and z. So here is x, y, and z. Let's start with all values to be 1. X is equal to 1, y 1, and z 1. Next we write down the equations. Equation 1, then equation 2, then equation 3, because we have three equations in consideration. Equation 1 is equal to, we will have to begin with is equal to, because that's how Excel gets to know that it's something that's to be calculated. So is equal to x to the power square plus y plus z. You have to select the values like that. Next, equation 2 is x plus y square plus z is equal to 8. So is equal to x plus y square plus selecting this value of z. So 3. Yes, it's coming to be the right answer. So there is no problem in the equation. Next, equation 3, we have written it in the same manner. It's also coming to be 3. That's right. So let's now, because we want it to be 12, 8, and 6, let's write it down. We need 12 for the first equation, 8 for the second equation, and 6 for the last one. Let's solve it. We need a tool called solver in the data section, data toolbar. So some of you may not have it, so go to the Excel settings, Excel options, and here you will find add-ins. A couple of stuff is there, so here add-ins, go to add-ins, click on this. Then at the bottom of the page you will find Excel add-ins at the bottom. So here is Excel add-ins, then go, click on go, and you will find solver add-in. Click on this, there is a tick mark, and set it to OK. So solver is added. In my computer it was already added. So next, click on the solver, and here we will fix how to solve the equation. So set target cell. Here target cell is not x is equal to 1, because the value of xyz needs to be set by the computer, so that we get equation 1 to be 12, equation 2 to be 8, and equation 3 to be 6. So now let's first add the constraints. Constraints are equation 2 and equation 3, that need to be 8 and 6 respectively. So we add here, the cell reference is equation 2 C8. Click on that, equal to the value of 8. Add, then click on add, and then the next equation 3, equal to 6. Okay, and then we have to select this target cell. So our target cell is equation 1, which needs to be to the value of 12. So target cell equation 1 C7, then that should be equal to 12. Here we have written equal to the value of 12. By changing the cells, all click and drag the mouse on XYZ values, and we need to change them. So finally solver has solved our problem. The value of equations are what they need to be, and XYZ values come out to be 3, 2 and 1 respectively. So if you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share.